Well, welcome back, folks. Once again, here we are at the clock tower. It's 22 degrees. It is 9:37. I'm out a bit earlier than normal, but it can mean only one thing. We're going to fuel up again, check the tyre pressures, and then it's off for another exciting slice of the delicious pie from D'Cutz Pie Shop. So let me get this little bit of management done and we'll be on our way. I'll see you back here in just a minute. We're going to go over to Teapot Mountain. I'm going to be trying this app. It's called Calimoto. I don't know if you can see it there. It's not the first time I tried it. I tried it last week. It was somewhat interesting. This is Okay, Cali. I think I might turn your Cali meter down a bit. God. Fail. So, Calimoto, you have brought me to a non-existent road. It says turn right. What am I, evil bloody Knievel? We're going all the way from here, all the way across to the other side of the island. Let's go. So I just press start. It is a beautiful day. Absolutely stunning day for riding here in Taiwan. The thing that Calimoto does is it will generate riding route for motorcyclists based on the style of riding they want. Twisty, super twisty, kind of straight or motorway. I did try super twisty and it put me down some funny little track which quite frankly I'd have rather been on an adventure bike and not a Yamaha FZ1 on. So today I'm just going twisty. The first bit of this journey is going to be on an expressway, so not very interesting. So we'll get rid of this and come back when I've got that little bit of the section out of the way. I shall see you shortly, and don't forget, if you like what you see today, subscribe, hit the like button, and if you don't like it, hit the dislike button. Please leave comments and feedback. I would like to learn more about what you guys want and what you like and what you don't like, and then I can tailor these and improve my moto vlogs for the future. So we've come off the expressway and now we're heading into Dashi. Beautiful riding area, Dashi. We were there on the first episode on the famous number 7 section. I've just got to concentrate a little bit and get us through this traffic. As I said, today we're heading to Teapot Mountain and we're using this app, Calimoto, which calculates good biker routes. It also has speed cameras, etc. on it, seems to have, which is working today. It wasn't working the other day when I was using it. I don't know if it's just temperamental or whether it's just my setup or both. Anyway, so let's see how we get on with it today. Other things that have happened is a couple of Sundays ago, it's now Monday, and so a couple of Sundays ago I enjoyed a motorcycle training course for cornering level 1. Now I feel like, you know, with the amount of experience that I've got riding motorcycles that I don't necessarily need this, but there's always an opportunity to learn something, and it also gave me an opportunity to spend time with my fellow riders, get to know the owner of Moto Skills Factory, Sasha. He's a top dude, and he did teach me something about the rear brake which I'm wanting to utilise, and most of all he's full of encouragement and enthusiasm. We all need a bit of that from time to time, so thank you for that, Sasha, and hopefully you'll watch this, share if you like, and I look forward to level 2 and 3 in the future and getting to know you better and riding together on the roads when possible. Today, take me about 3 hours to get where we're going, and then I'm going to climb the mountain. That's the idea. See the beautiful view from the top of it and introduce you to a little bit more of Taiwan. Okay, so that's a bit awkward. They've blocked the road, so I'm just going to go through here. Bit cheeky. That's it. Okay. So the sharp-eyed of you in a minute are going to recognise where we are. We will be heading over the bridge to the start of the glorious roads on the 7. So I might be inclined to cut the recording when we get across this bridge and bring us back when we're on the other side of Dashi. So we don't want to repeat ourselves, do we? It's a little bit tedious. But let's just have a quick look at the view. The mountains are looking particularly stunning today, I think. Concentrating back on the road. Let's get into it, shall we? is, but quite interesting. This is all on the paid version, and it records your highest speed and your average speed. If that interests you, which it does me because I'm a bit of a geek and I think quite a lot of motorcyclists are the same, it's pretty cool. I can tell you the first time I used it, I achieved a lean angle of 31 degrees, so he's flying. Well, Calimoto seems to have found us an absolutely glorious road, which I fully intend to enjoy. It seems pretty quiet. It's kind of interesting because you end up on roads that you've never been before, and we'll see how this turns out. Calculator. It's quite cool up there. So I need to back that down a little bit. So I guess we're leaving the 9, heading down on a different route, certainly a road I've never been on before. I think I'll have quite a time along this road. Although the surface on this road is not as nice, and it's certainly not as flowing and fast. If you like this kind of riding, it's getting a bit technical down this section. There's plenty in Taiwan, so if you want to come over, I'll show you around. This is much more technical than the previous road. It's quite bumpy. My suspension's doing a good enough job. I've never been down this road before, so excuse me if I'm a bit hard on the brakes sometimes, but I'm trying to feel my way around it. The surface down this section is not too bad. the switchback. Okay. Alright, look through the corner. There we are. Golf nuts. Squash big cradle sat there. My foot peg on the floor. I think I beat my 31 degrees there for sure. Yep, there she is. Foot peg scraped. Thank you Yamaha for such a fantastic chassis, and thank you Maxxis for these fun tyres. They're a laugh, eh? The Gold Ecological Park. Now, there used to be gold mining in Taiwan. You can still pan a little bit in the rivers and get lucky, but it's not enough to make a fortune, unfortunately. Near where we're going, there's a place called Tawan. It's a very famous town in Taiwan. It was the setting for the film Spirited Away. I know that was an animated film, but if you ever visit Tawan, maybe one day I will for you. Although I find it a bit too touristy, you might enjoy it, and you certainly see the resemblance to Spirited Away. I just had an excellent little blast down through the mountains. Now I find myself having a little cruise along the side of the ocean, and it is just beautiful here. We're about to turn right and head back inland. I've got approximately 6 kilometres to get to Teapot Mountain. Taiwan, accessible by bike. Teapot Mountain. Now I've got to get all the way back across town, all the way back across the island, and make some footage for a job. One more quick look at the view, folks. Isn't that something special?